Hi there. Welcome to another episode on how to look after your Royal Enfield Interceptor or Continental GT. Today, we're going to take a tour of your instrument cluster, which gives you vital information about your motorcycle's functioning. Position the motorcycle on its center stand on level ground. Switch on the ignition. The motorcycle self-checks all its parameters. This is the set button, which lets you view or reset your odometer and trip meter. To view the odometer reading, press the button for 2 seconds to toggle from trip A to trip B to ODO. To view the trip A reading, press the button for 2 seconds. The LCD screen will change from ODO to trip A. To view the trip B reading, press the button for 2 seconds. The LCD screen will change from trip A to trip B. To reset either trip A or trip B readings to 0, continuously press the set button. The odometer cannot be reset as it records how much the motorcycle has run since it was manufactured. To change the reading from kilometers per hour to miles per hour, first turn the ignition off. Now press the set button. Turn the ignition on and keep the set button depressed for 10 to 12 seconds. To know which software version your motorcycle is fitted with, switch off the ignition and keep the set button pressed. The software version appears for 2 seconds. Now let's learn about the warning indicators. Switch on the ignition. The warning lights will light up on the tachometer. To begin with, this is the low oil pressure indicator. It lights up when the ignition is switched on and goes off when the engine starts. If the indicator stays on while riding, or if the engine doesn't start when the indicator is on, check your oil level. If the engine oil is sufficient, take your motorcycle to a service center immediately. Next comes the low battery indicator. It lights up when the ignition is switched on and goes off when the engine starts. If the indicator stays on while riding, or if the engine doesn't start and the indicator is on, contact the service center immediately. This is the ABS indicator. It lights up when the ignition is switched on and goes off when the speed reaches 5 km per hour. If the ABS symbol stays on when riding, it means that the ABS system has a fault. However, your normal brakes will function without ABS. The neutral symbol tells the rider that the motorcycle is in neutral gear. The light goes off when the motorcycle is in gear. The high beam symbol tells the rider that the headlight is on high beam. It goes off when the light is shifted to low beam. The turn indicator symbol tells the rider that the indicator is on. It goes off when the indicator is switched off. This is the engine malfunction lamp or EML. It lights up to indicate that the engine management system isn't working properly. The light should go out once the engine starts. If the EML stays on when riding, take your motorcycle to a service center immediately. And that's it. You have just taken a step towards keeping your Royal Enfield Twin in good shape.